right, we are here at
Sandstone Falls at New River Gorge National River in Raleigh County, West Virginia.
Yep. All right, we're gonna make a hike here and see what they look like.
It's a short hike, it's not long.
It's only half a mile.
Less than that. I mean, we're literally looking at the falls from the parking lot, so.
Yeah, looks cool. All right, here we go. All right, we're coming up to it. Here's the sign
It's about a quarter of a mile.
right here,
I guess.
and it says, kind of shows the outline of the boardwalk there and the fruit. That's what we're going to take. All right. Here's the. I guess that's showing a bunch of beavers. Okay. All right, looky there. Looky there. Oh my. Here's the other side of the bridge. I'm looking for fish in there. There's people coming here to fish too. We were coming here and it was just amazing how shallow, or how wide the New River is, and then how shallow it is at the same time. People are out in the middle of it wading and fishing. All right, we're walking on the boardwalk. All right, what'd you find out? Oh, now we're looking at some of the flowers here. Which ones are those?
That's Coreopsis.
Okay.
Camelina erecta? No,
Oh.
that's that up there. And
Okay.
then that's Baptista australis.
Okay. Well, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I think we've been seeing those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I think we've been seeing that one, that one.
All right,
That
let's go.
one.
All right, looks like we got another view of them. Let's look at this. Whoa, look at that.
Wow, look at that.
Cool bridge here. Let's see. Yeah, we can look over to the side here. Oh, the falls. Isn't that cool? Really neat. Alrighty. Oh my. Let's see, we can take these steps down. And let's see. Let's see what we can see down here. See if we can get another look at the rapids or the falls here. Somebody had a fire here. Okay. Let's see.
I like it down here.
You like that? Yeah, look at the falls here. Huh? Oh my. Yeah, now you can see the big falls here. No, you see the falls. Wow, looky there. That's a pretty big picture of them. pretty view of the falls. We'll see if we can get up closer though. Isn't that neat? Alright, we're going through the woods, see if we can get a closer shot of the falls. Let's see, there's a bunch of rocks here. Oh my, I think there's, yeah, you can get close to them in a lot of different ways. We're gonna go this way though. I guess when it rains a lot, it might get flooded through here. I'm not sure. Let's see. We're gonna go this way. See. Yeah, we're going up here seeing how close we can get. Yeah. Isn't that pretty? Now we're just crossing over a little bit here. Let's see. Nice little area here. We're gonna cross. Okay. Well, we're making it up closer. We're getting closer and closer to the falls. Whoa, isn't that cool? Yeah, Sandstone Falls. Well, it's getting closer and closer. Let's see what's up here. Well, you kind of see it through the leaves here. Wow. Oh my. Oh, there's those little bluets we saw. Right there's the bluet. Or I forget what Laura called it. Oh my. Look at this. Whew. A lot of water rushing. My goodness, look at all that water. Woo. Isn't that pretty? Big wide waterfall. Good. Oh my. Wow. Oh, that's neat. Look at that. Good, great. Look at that, how big it is. Hey Jesse, come here, look at it. Come on up here, look at it. What do you think?
This is amazing. I mean, like, look.
Isn't it something, all them?
Sandstone Falls. New River. It's spilling everywhere. Everywhere. It's amazing. So, I wasn't exactly truthful at the beginning of the video when I mentioned it being about a half a mile, or there was less than it was close to the parking lot. You do actually have to kind of walk a ways away to get to this portion of Sandstone Falls. Sandstone Falls is not just one waterfall. It's just a series of drops off the New River. And you can find as many falls as you want, really. Kind of unlimited. Depending on how adventurous you are, the more and more you can find. Some roughed up water for you. Woo. Rapids. Woo. Rapids. Amazing. Beautiful. Wouldn't want to get caught up in that.
Alright, I'm putting it. What do you think about it, Jesse?
Cool. That's very cool.
Just enjoying the wildlife.
Okay, alright, we just got done with
Sandstone Falls.
yeah, and we just saw a cat on a leash, and we like the cat on the leash. Something, wasn't it?
I like cats. I like cats and dogs and
Okay.
a cute dog.
Okay. Well, what did y'all think of the Sandstone Falls?
I think that is a very accessible trail. I think that Well, if you do the boardwalk, it's extremely accessible.
Oh yeah.
I mean, wheelchair accessible.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, wheelchair
Oh
accessible.
yeah, you can roll it on the boardwalk.
We went off the boardwalk though, so that extended the length of our hike, and we rock hopped some, so we got more adventurous with it. Got closer to the falls. And
Oh yeah, but you
rapids
could
and-
really see it there,
Yeah.
though, couldn't you?
Yeah.
I mean, that was it.
You
That
can make
was
it as long as you want it to be.
Right.
But
yeah.
if you rock hop, you can get really
Yeah.
close and see some really cool things.
Right.
We saw
Yeah.
some fishermen out there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And they
Yeah, I
were
thought it was
catching,
pretty.
too.
Yeah, and those cascades. Oh my goodness, they were ripping through there. Once you look down, I mean, it was. You didn't want to get in them. It'd suck you and not let you back out
No.
through there. But it was yeah, something just the width of them, I guess. That was neat.
I'd give it a difficulty 4 if you go really close to the falls.
Okay, yeah, so 4 if you go close to the falls, but it's a lot easier if you on the boardwalk. It's about as easy as it comes.
Yeah.
It's all flat and level.
Yeah, beautiful. Even
Yeah.
if you aren't able to
Yeah.
rock hop. and
Like
get close.
lower Bear Wallow, I'd give a difficulty just more than the highest score 10.
Okay, all right.
I just
Well, thanks. Okay.
It-
Yeah.
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 Thanks. Like and subscribe.
That's right. All right. Bye bye.